Hello, good morning. Welcome back to our grammar class. Okay, what we are going to learn today is this is and that is. This already you have learned in your senior KG class. So we'll quickly revise it. Okay, you remember this and that. Okay, for which objects do we say this? Yes, the objects which are very close to you. आपके पास में जो भी ऑब्जेक्ट होगा उसके बारे में हम जब बात करेंगे तो we will say this is. Okay, and whenever the object is far away from you, जब कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट आपसे दूर होगा तब हम बात करते समय क्या बोलेंगे? That is. ओके, और कोई भी चीज अगर दूर होती है, whenever anything is very far away and you want to show it to somebody, ओके, आपको अगर वो दूर रहने वाली चीज आपको किसी को दिखाना है तो आप कैसे दिखाते हैं? हाउ विल यू शो इट? यू विल पॉइंट इट आउट विथ योर फिंगर, है ना? आप ऐसे उंगली से दिखाते ना, देखो, लुक एट दैट, लाइक दैट यू शो ना. ओके, सो इन अवर पिक्चर्स ऑल्सो, अभी यहाँ पे तो हम लोग फार तो नहीं दिखा सकते हैं, सो वी विल बी यूजिंग अ फिंगर टू पॉइंट आउट टू ऑब्जेक्ट विच वी वांट टू शो एज अ फार वन, है ना? दूर किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को दिखाना है तो हम लोग उंगली का यूज करेंगे. ओके, अंडरस्टूड? समझ में आया? हाँ, वन मोर थिंग आई वॉन्ट टू एक्सप्लेन ओवर हियर ओनली. जब भी हम दिस इज और दैट इज बोलते हैं तभी वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ओनली वन ऑब्जेक्ट. एक ही चीज के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. ओके, सपोज वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ट्री. हाँ, so only one tree. We are talking about only one tree when we use this is a tree or that is a tree. If there are more than one trees, okay, there are trees, then we don't use this is and that is. In our next class, I am going to tell you what we will be using. Okay, so today what we are going to learn, when there is a single object, एक ही चीज होगी तभी हम this is या that is यूज करेंगे. सिर्फ आप इतना ध्यान रखिए, दिस इज मतलब आपके पास में और दैट इज मतलब आपसे दूर. हाँ, एंड द ऑब्जेक्ट इज ओनली वन, सिंगल, एक ही ऑब्जेक्ट है. ओके, अंडरस्टूड? चलो, लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द लेसन. द फर्स्ट वन is a bird. Okay, there is no pointed hand or no pointed finger. So ये आपके पास में है. अगर फिंगर पॉइंट आउट होता है तो वो दूर रहता है, तो इसमें फिंगर नहीं है, यानी कि ये आपके पास में है. सो दिस बर्ड इज क्लोज टू यू. व्हाट विल बी यूज? क्लोज आपके पास में होगा तो हम क्या बोलेंगे? दिस इज बोलेंगे कि दैट इज? Yes, we will say this is. Okay, so THIS this and IS is. Okay, this is a bird. Understood? Now look at this. I am pointing out to something which is very far off. है ना? दूर है. क्या दूर है? That car. Okay, so when the car is far away, what will we use? This is a car or that is a car? Yes, since it is far away, we are going to use that is a car. THAT, that. IS is, that is a car. Okay, again the next finger is pointing out towards, what is the object? Brush. So what will we use? Yes, that is a brush. You are right. Okay, we'll repeat once more. Repeat with me. This is a bird. That is a car. That is a brush. Okay, chalo, let's look at the next sentence. Okay, now what will you use? This is a bat or that is a bat? Yes, there is no finger pointing. So, this is a bat. Very good, children. Now look here, look at that finger. Can you see it? And it is pointing to a monkey. So, this is a monkey or that is a monkey? Yes, That is a monkey. The next, yes. What will come? This is a table or that is a table? Yes, there is no finger, so it will be this is a table. Very good, children. Now you will repeat with me, no? Chalo. Let's repeat this once more. This is a bat. That is a monkey. This is a table. Very good. Now let's take a look at the next sentence. Okay, there is a finger and it is pointing towards a tree. So what will you write? This is a tree or that is a tree? Yes, very good. That is a tree. Next one, again there is a finger. So what will you write? This is a boat or that is a boat? Yes, you are again right. That is a boat. Very good. And now, so cute, no? What is it? Yes, it is a puppy. So now tell me, this is a puppy or that is a puppy? Again, you are right. This is a puppy. Okay, we'll repeat it once more. Chalo. That is a tree. That is a boat. This is a puppy. Very good. Now, children, you have to write these sentences in your English notebook. Okay, complete this work. There is no need to draw the pictures. If you draw it, if you like to draw and you find it very easy, you can draw it. No problem. If you draw, there is not a problem. But if you don't draw, then also it is all right. Just copy the sentences in your English notebook. ठीक है, समझ में आया? अगर आपको पिक्चर्स ड्रॉ करने को अच्छा लगता है तो आप जरूर ड्रॉ करो। अगर आपको नहीं ड्रॉ करना है तो कोई बात नहीं, खाली सेंटेंसेस आप कॉपी कर लीजिए इंग्लिश नोटबुक में। ओके, अंडरस्टूड? चलो, दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे। बाय।